Wow. This prairie meadow sure is beautiful.
Yeah, really makes you ponder the great questions of life, you know?
Yeah. Like, what's the meaning of life?
Oof, too hard. Ask me something easier.
Okay. Oh, how many different plant types are there in this meadow?
So I think the meaning of life is really that...
No, come on, we can figure this one out.
I just feel like figuring out the meaning of life would be easier.
Really? I mean, look, I've been using the iNaturalist app, or iNaturalist.org, to log the plants I see here at the 12 Hills Nature Center.
A fringe blue star? You saw a fringe blue star?
Yeah, dude. And you can see what everybody else has logged too. Thousands of observations going back 15 years over all 4 seasons. I mean, look at all these. Who knew a prairie this small could contain so many different kinds of plants or species?
Well, of course. Any healthy ecosystem, from the Amazon rainforest to the Great Barrier Reef to even the 12 Hills Nature Center Prairie, needs a diversity of species. And so, research apps that allow you to keep track of species in an environment aren't just fun activities for people like us, but important tools for conservation efforts.
Willa, are you hearing yourself right now?
Okay, let's do it. How many different types of plants are in this meadow? Okay, so to answer this question, we're going to need to lean into our powers of observation and estimation.
Great, so let me grab my microscope and calculator.
Actually, Andrew, the only fancy tool we need is this bad boy.
Wait, you brought a hula hoop to the meadow?
In this economy, can't leave home without it.
Huh?
I'm going to use this hula hoop to take a quick sample of this meadow. First, do not step on the plants, which will damage them. Stand along the trail. Gently lay the hula hoop on the ground in a way that plants do not get crushed. If someone forgot their hula hoop, they can just look at the size circle that their arms make and then estimate that circle-shaped area in front of them along the trail. So let's count how many types of plants are inside my hula hoop.
This doesn't feel very scientific. Like we're not even wearing lab coats.
A lot of science doesn't happen in labs, buddy, but out in the field, where research and data collection takes place.
Okay, so I see a flower here, another flower here, and some grass.
Great. Now let's pick another spot in the meadow that's far away, like over there.
Over there? But that will take us forever to get...
And we're here.
Okay, I'll lay my hula hoop along the trail here, being careful to avoid crushing plants, and count the different kinds of plants in my hula hoop.
Incredible. And if we do this for a bunch of hula hoop areas at all different parts of the meadow, like by that line of trees over there, or by those leafy bushes there, or by that patch of tall grass behind us, then we'll have a pretty good sample of the entire area and a pretty fair estimate of how many total species there are in the meadow on this particular day.
And we can cross-reference our discoveries with the iNaturalist app. It looks like 1,290 different species have been logged. Some of them are 472 different plant species, 616 insect species, 7 reptile species, 9 mammal species, 10 snail species, and 52 species of fungi. Over 274 people recorded these observations over 15 years, so there's already a lot of data.
And to any of our math finders, we'll look forward to seeing what species you log as well. Who knows? Maybe you'll see a species that nobody's logged before. Just quickly search for specific types of species, click on the gray box named Filters on the far right near the top, across from Observations and the search boxes. Have fun exploring.
Here is a video demonstrating how to use the iNaturalist app. It was made in Maine, but is applicable everywhere.